Welcome to the Nordic Campers YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be ice fishing and we're gonna be exploring this island right here. We're gonna find out some cool fireplaces. I'm gonna learn how to gut and perch. And lastly, we're gonna go watch some ice sculptures. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So I'm headed towards the lake again, and this time I was planning to take my tent with me. My first child was born 4 days ago, so I was not planning to stay the night. But I thought it would be fun to try out ice fishing from inside the tent. It's pretty cold, minus 19, minus 18 and a half. But it should be getting warmer. It's a beautiful day and I'm headed towards a small island. And I'm gonna be doing some ice fishing around the island. You can maybe see the island right there behind me. How long do you guys wait before bringing your child on these trips? Should he be at least like 3 years old? Or can you bring him on earlier? If any of you guys have any experience, I would like to know that. There are other people ice fishing here as well. I'm not quite sure if you can see them. So at least I'm not alone. And also there has been some heavy machinery on this ice, so I shouldn't be falling. There should also be a fireplace in this island, somewhere around here. Here in the south, this might be the last week that is below 10 degrees Celsius. Today it is a bit colder, it's closer to like minus 20 degrees, but after this week it should be substantially warmer. We're planning a little trip with the boys. In a couple of months we're going to be heading north, and it should be quite a lot colder there up north, and of course the views are amazing because this scenery is pretty basic to me, so I'm really excited to be heading north in a couple of months. The island is getting closer, so that's where I came from. And here is the island. Time to go ice fishing. And here are some good worms. Previously I've been using small maggots, but I came to the conclusion that big juicy worms are much more attractive for the fish. Let's set up the bait, and this is what I'm using this time. Let's hope that this and a big juicy worm will do the trick. And the goal here is that you shouldn't be able to see the hook. So this is pretty okay. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna drill another hole a bit deeper. Okay, I have a new idea now. Let's switch to something different here. Taking this off. I'm gonna give this original lure another shot. So first there's something shiny to catch the attention, and then there's something to eat. No, the worm looks still good. Again, no action, so let's switch spots. I think I'm gonna try this spot between these two small islands. Or maybe I should call it between the big island and the small island. People have been going there for some reason. Maybe the fire spot is somewhere there. Still no action. I'm gonna change spots again. So now this next spot is a bit closer to the smaller island right here. So I just googled a bit about the area, and what Google told me was that behind this island right here, and between that island far away is an amazing spot. So let's see if Google's AI was right or not. Okay, I'm arriving at the destination, and between this island and that island far away behind me, I'm just gonna have a wild guess that the good spot is right here. Let's see if changing the worm has any effect on the fish biting or not. I've been keeping the worms inside my jacket to keep them warm and hopefully keep them a bit active. The bait should be perfect now. No hook is showing, so there shouldn't be any signs for the fish that it's an actual fraud. Make it drop all the way to the bottom and then lift it up maybe half a meter or so. No action, let's try another spot. I think I'm gonna go head deeper because maybe the fish have gone into deeper waters and they're trying to hide there, so I'm gonna go a bit deeper into the lake. It was a lot deeper here, by like a substantial amount. It felt like it's maybe 3 times deeper than there. The last spot was maybe like 5 meters and this is closer to 15. But this is a complete guess. I'm gonna try a completely different spot now. But first I'm gonna check out that island, see what the fireplace looks like, and after that I'm heading backwards, closer to where I originally came from, because now I have a hunch that that is actually the spot. Let's go. Okay, it's a small little fireplace, but no one's been using it. And I can't seem to find any firewood near here. Usually the employees of the city make sure that all of the public fireplaces have firewood, but this one doesn't seem to have any. It's almost as round as a ball. That's an interesting phenomenon. Well, now I know that this lake does not have a good fireplace. Okay, this is a much better fire spot. Because this fireplace actually has some firewood in it. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. It's absolutely stacked. If you look inside the shack, it's filled up to the brim. And I guess that they couldn't fit any more inside, so they just put some firewood outside. Oh, you can put these glasses on while you're cutting the firewood. That's pretty cool. Oh, and this fireplace also has an outdoor toilet. It's pretty comfy. Only if I had some fish I would be cooking it now right there. But I'm a bad fisherman, so I'm gonna have to continue fishing and maybe return here if I have some time. And of course if I catch some fish. Okay, and now I know that this island actually has a pretty good fire spot, and it would be cool to return here in the summer, but let's see. Now I'm back on the west side of the island and I'm gonna be heading that way. I'm gonna try to get closer to that island, and I think that would be the spot. And if that's not the spot, it's gonna be another fishless day. So fingers crossed. I have no idea what that means, but I'm gonna keep walking. Someone marked out their own spot. So maybe this has some potential. I'm gonna set up my spot here. New hole and a new worm. It's really deep in here. This is how much line there was left before I hit the bottom. Maybe like 10 or 20 more times around and it would have been done. Okay, I have a theory that fish are not gonna be this deep, so I'm gonna aim for maybe 10 meters. Okay, and let's guess now. 1 meter, 2, 3, okay, that's 4. Okay, that should be good now. Okay, I'm gonna switch spots for the last time. So it was about the spot. Okay, that's in deep. But luckily I have some pliers with me now. Ah, crap. Today we're also going to be learning how to gut some fish. Okay, now I'm going to be learning how to gut a little perch. So first you should get rid of the head. And then a tutorial told that you should make a cut next to the spine, like so, so we can rip off the skin. Okay, and here it is, my first time gutting a fish. Maybe I'll get rid of the excess skin here also. Yeah, like so. So here it is, my first time gutting a fish. Someone in the comments could tell me how I did. I definitely did not enjoy it. But if I really start to enjoy fishing and I want to eat the fish I catch, this is a skill I need to learn. There is still a bit of sunlight, so let's continue. Let's check the worm. The worm seems pretty good, but I'm gonna switch it for a fresh worm that moves more. That tiny perch might be the only thing I'm gonna catch today, cause the sun ain't gonna be up that much longer. So I'm gonna give it like 5 or 10 minutes, and after that I'm packing my stuff and heading back home. Okay, I'm gonna pack up my stuff now. It's time to go check out the ice sculptures. The ice sculptures are in the memory of Pate Mustajärvi. So the signs are basically talking about Pate's old songs, and the ice sculptures are made in the memory of him and his songs. A cool looking jukebox. Well, that's cool looking. This ice sculpture represents one of his most famous songs, Ukko Metso. It's quite crowded in here. Heaven of the cats. So this is called Kick the Devil's Ass. He's got a funky looking face. Shout out to the people who made this happen. Mad dogs. A snake with some cool eyeglasses.
Missing the tongue.
Oh, the tongue got cut off. Okay, that was cool. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys have been liking the content, and you can always leave suggestions for me to what I should be doing next. But again, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.